Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on my online store, I do sell some custom indicators and some expert advisors, but the majority of those tools they are actually free, but some of them which are really doing a great job are actually not free. For example, the Deriv, which is my most sold indicator of all time. Okay, it gives uh, easy to use signals for buying and selling. So I've come up with an idea like most of the times like what people do like when they're selling stuff is that once you buy something from someone, then that's it. That person no longer helps you like in installing the software of bots, no longer helps you on how to use it. But as for me, I'm different. So like when you buy any of my stuff, I've actually made a lot of videos about how you actually use those tools, how you can apply them, and how to best use them. Okay, but even if I've made so much videos about how to use all my tools which I have, there's some people still find or have difficulties in using them. So this is why I've come up with an idea like when you buy anything from my online store, okay, from my online shop, like you are going to be having a chance to request for a free Zoom call where I actually work with you in installing the indicator or the expert advisor, and also explain to you in more details, and also explain to you what to avoid, what not to avoid, and how best to use it. So this free service only applies when you buy any of my indicators or any of my services which are not free. So for example, if you buy my indicator which costs about $5, you qualify for a free Zoom meeting where I share my screen or you share your screen and I get to help you out. So if you're watching this video from YouTube, like the link to my online shop is actually in the description, so you can just check it out and you can get to download some free tools you can try out, or even buy tools like Deriv and get started in your trading. So this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.